Hello friends, you're watching Android Tech Solutions, and today in this video I'm going to show you how can we pull the code from GitHub. So basically we are going to see how can we integrate GitHub with Jenkins. Okay, so this is my fresh installed Jenkins server. So I have used the standard plugins. I have installed the Git plugin, GitHub plugin, which is like by default installed in Jenkins, while if you choose the standard plugins. So I'm going to create a job and I'm going to pull the code from my GitHub to my Jenkins project. Okay, this is my GitHub repository, and I'm going to pull the code to my Jenkins server. Okay, so I'll just click on create a new job, and I'll create a job called Git test. Okay, and I'll choose the freestyle project. So I'll give a description, pulling code from GitHub, and after that I'll choose GitHub project, and it's asking me for the project URL. I'll go to my GitHub account. This is my GitHub account. Okay, and I'll click on my GitHub repository from which I have to pull the code. Okay, so I'll just copy this link. I'll just copy this link, and I'll place the link over here. And here you will find source code management. Okay, so I'll just choose Git, and here it is asking for me the repository URL. Okay, so I'll just click on here, and I'll copy this URL, and I'll paste this URL over here. Here you can see. And if you have said like it's a private repository, then you have to specify your credentials if it is a private repository. So then you can give username, password, and you have various authentication methods. After that, you have to choose a branch. You can set your branch name. Okay, I'm not choosing any branch over here. If it is blank, it will take any of the branch. And then we have repository browser. I'll choose over here GitHub Web. Okay, this one, GitHub Web. And it's asking me for a URL. This is my GitHub Web Git repository URL. Okay, it's specified over here. Just let me make sure this is my account name and this is my repository name. Okay, oops, this is my Docker file is my repository name. Okay, now I'll just save this project. Now before building it, you have to make sure that in your server you have installed Git. If you have not installed Git, so I'll try to build it and I'll get an error. So here you can see it has given an error. Click on it. I'll click on console output. Here you can see it has given an error. Okay, so make sure that Git is installed in your server. So this is my Jenkins server. I'll go ahead and install Git. So now Git is installed in my Jenkins server. Now I'll go back. You have to install Git in your Jenkins server in which the machine you have installed Git. Okay, I have installed Jenkins in my EC2 instance. Okay, so I just SSH to my instance and I installed Git. And now I'll just go back and I'll click on build now. Now here you can see it has built successfully. If I click on console output, so here you can see finished success. It means it has downloaded the code. if I click on git build data, so here you can see from the branch which is he has pulled the data. Now if I click on workspace, so here is my repository data, CentOS with SS and readme.md file. If I go here, I have two folders, one file and one folder, CentOS with SSH and readme.md file. So here you can see that content is present. So by this way you can download the code from your GitHub repository, and according to your code you can build it. Okay, like you have, if you have Java code, or you can like build it with other integrations. So this video was on like how can we pull code from the GitHub repository. Thank you.